Okay, good morning. So I said I was going to look at some HVNs, which is the high volume nodes. This is the trading view. I paid for the Pro license because it has the indicators for the volume profile, and I can just switch between instruments really easily, just typing up there instead of going to MetaTrader and then having it freeze. So that was quite an annoying issue there. So what we see here on the trading view, it actually tells us the HVNs, the nodes that's of interest. So I've drawn a horizontal line here. So we're actually at 129.18 right now. If we draw this horizontal line, see that we've got some supports here, 129.07. There's that line there, you see. Now, if we pull that horizontal line down, see how we've got these HVNs here? So that would be a target at 12881. Now, if we look to our spreadsheet, that ties into our SLC by 4 pips. So the SLC is 12873, and that's 1288. So yeah, 7 pips away. So it's like a confluence there, SLC and the HVN. So it sounds complex, we use all these abbreviations, but it's quite simple really. And so I'm not sure what this line is here for. I think this is a historical line when I looked at the daily chart. So this is a key level. Perhaps if we zoom out, we'll know why. I think it was a daily thing. It might have been that HVN there, possibly. So there's that. So that's a possible target for intraday and also a test too. So I've got this stochastic multiple time frame, which tells us if it's a sell or a buy when it crosses over above or below. So we've had a cross from above, which is therefore a sell there. So that would have been your sell entry point. And I think we can probably target this because we've got the confluence of the high volume nodes and the stop loss cluster. So have a look for this level here. It could well target. And if you did take the trade, you'd be looking at, well, don't forget we want a tight stop loss really, but worst comes to worst. So we've got a confluence here. There's 2 lines. And that's at 12958. So it would suck if you got stopped out there because it's quite a big stop loss, but there's a confluence there for resistance. And then if you look at the daily chart, which I've been posting, there's a lot of resistance up there on the daily pitchfork. So that's a potential trade opportunity, and just really to see if we get to that point. So remember, we're targeting this there. So 12880. So we've got 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. Basically 2 here. So yeah, maybe it'll hit. We'll see. And it's a good test, but we've got lots of confluence. So fingers crossed.